This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. Former model, 4-bedroom 2.5 bathrooms in gated Blue Lakes Estates. This open floor plan home features a huge family room, dining room, living room combo, a separate office and split bedrooms. The kitchen features a large island with plenty of countertop space, stainless steel appliances. All of this within a few miles of downtown Mount Dora, Eustis, and easy access to the new beltway. For more information, review the details below.